teach you how to make this lantern from this angpow packet. First of all, you take the long angpow packet, cut off the flap if there's any. Keep this aside. For the end, according to the seam here, there's always a seam here. There's about 1 cm, right? So you start from one end, you fold another 1 cm. Okay, the key to fold at a nice angle is to align this to the side, and you get about 1 cm, right? Then you fold another one. Okay, same 1 cm. Right? So you cut this small. See? And then you fold again. From here, you fold about less than 1 cm, as small as you can without cutting. Okay, depends on how good you are at your scissor work. Right? And then now you fold, this is the gutter, right? This is the gutter. And now you fold another one which is a little bit bigger than, a little bit wider than 1 cm just now. This is like this, so this one you make just a slight bigger, maybe 1 point, this is about 1.3 cm. Okay, then you fold it to this side again, align it, right, and you cut again. Right, now you again another fold that is small, right? Just now you have this fold, so you just fold this into half. Okay, and you cut in. Right, and there you have it. See, from the side you have this flat. Okay, now you need to make it, shape it into the lantern. You take your double tape, do the ends first, then you stick the one in the middle. Okay, right, shape the top a bit, make it round and nice. Then you just push it, and there you have it, your tang long. Just now you have this, so you can use it to make the handle. Just put some okay. Now just stick on the handles for hanging, and there you have it, your 3-layer lantern. I hope you try this. Bye bye.